miss showing you this. He has another wired fence here, but the rabbits, they eat the raspberries. So guys, watch your raspberries. Look at them. There's so many of them. I mean, isn't this beautiful or what, guys? Look at all those raspberries. And they're sweet. They're sweet. So there's more in the back. There's more on that side. This is a big raspberry tree, guys. Isn't this nice? You see them behind the... There you go. More raspberries. But the rabbits, oh, she planted some garlic. Garlic, guys. Let me tell you something about garlic. Rabbits love garlic. So if you plant garlic, I told her you needed to put a fence around it because rabbits, there's a lot of rabbits here, guys. Lots of them, lots of them, lots of them. But my brother is so holy and very humble. Not really, I mean, yes, he believes in God truly, deeply. I mean, if you hurt his feelings, he will start crying. He will lock himself up in a room, grab that Bible and start praying because he's like that. He's such a believer, like we all should be. Have God in your heart. He got him all in, he has God all in his heart. He will never hurt anyone or anything. And he loves nature. And, I mean, me and him get along really, really good. Really, really good. And he thanks me so much because I helped him, okay, with a little bit of sacrifice and diminish this thing and that thing. I was able to help him last month from losing his home. He doesn't owe the home. He has to pay for the land, which is $270 a month. So I told him, bro, last month when he called me, I said, bro, don't worry about it. You're not going to be in the street, okay? God is going to make a way. And God made a way for me to diminish some bills. My spending limit, because I can't go over the limit. And I was able to help him so that he can keep his place and be at peace. I said, don't worry about it, bro. I got you. Here is something else you planted. I don't know what it is, guys. But to tell you about the rabbits, guys, the rabbits eat your garlic with no mercy. Okay? So all that land there, guys, you know, I could put a trailer home right there if I wanted to. But I got my own bedroom in the house. It's nice and comfy, guys. Oh my God. Y'all have no idea how good I slept last night. It's better than where I sleep at my own home that I pay $1,100 for. I don't know what this tree is, guys. Maybe you could put it in your comments. What is it? It's got some probably edible. There's a lot of edible stuff. Even in the woods, guys, there's edible. It's edible. So you know what? They're pretty prepared. And I brought them tons of canned food, tons of tuna fish, salmon, canned that expires 2024 for my long-term shelving. They do have still some stash from when I told him to, bro, 3 years ago, yo, bro, I heard this and that and I heard that, you know, get on it. And they did. But they had to use some of that stash in the past 6 months. And he's the type that he will not tell sis anything whatsoever. Nothing, guys, nothing. I can't get him nothing, even if I squeeze his freaking neck, okay? He won't speak. And sometimes that's a bad thing. So we had a chat last night. I told him, bro, with all the people that you know, with all the people that you confide in, with all the people that you think were your friends, with this problem you had last month, did anybody send you $1? Okay? Did anybody send you $1? He was like, no, sis. I said, you're such a believer in God. You trust all these churches. Did that church ever, and you still communicate with them, did they send you $1 to help you out? No, sis. I said, and they knew your problem? Yeah, I told one of the pastor, and now I was like, okay. I said, the least one that you expected was me, right? He's like, yes, sis, because I know you pay heck of bills, and I know how it is to live in the city. Everything your money goes away. I said, but you know what? I love you, brother. You are like a part of me, and I will always be there for you. You can see little holes here on the plants. I don't know, but the rabbits climb the fence and they eat the berries, the raspberries. And I told him, bro, anything, anything, bro. You tell me, okay? I love you dearly. I will sacrifice because I know you sacrificed to have all this. And I am so glad that you left New York City. Even though New York has beautiful areas just like this, upstate New York, okay? Um, when people say New York, they think about the city. They don't think about the other towns and cities away from the city, okay? And this is a blessing for you, brother, that you decided to get the heck up out of New York at the right time, and then 2 years later, you wind up with all these ailments. So it's a blessing. God brought you out of New York City to have your own place, and you was able to do it because you worked hard and you saved the money and you got the opportunity. God put you into the right place, and you did it, God. You did it, bro. You did it. And I'm very happy that you have your own home. Because if you was in that condo up there paying $1,700, you would have been going cuckoo. You would have been homeless. You probably would have been living in my house, cramped up, and have lost everything. But you didn't lose the faith, bro. He's like, never, sister. Never. Never. And you know what? I made a way. It's a sacrifice. But it's just $270 a month. So cutting down on some spending, I was able to have my brother in a peace of mind. And I had a spoke with him last night. Bro, I will do whatever it takes. Don't you worry about it. Your 270 is going to get paid monthly. Don't you worry about it. Don't ask me no damn questions. And just let me enjoy this beautiful time that I'm going to be up here with you until I can get back up here. But I'll be back up here before winter to help you cut some wood, your wifey to cut some wood, and have you. And he does have a pile of big stack inside of wood. And I will stay with you up here as long as y'all want me here. Okay, because I can come up here anytime. I don't have nothing particular to do that I have to be home. So he was like, thank you, sister. Oh, there's the birdies. There's the birdies, guys, that I was telling you about. Where are you? Where'd you go? There it is. There it is. Ah, there they go. Oh, you know what? Let me go get the bird food. Because he didn't have no money to buy the bird food, guys. And I had bird food since last Christmas. He didn't have no money to buy bird food. So I saw the bird food. I said, whoa, my brother's bird food. For the birdies. Where are you? It's right there, guys. It's right there. So let me go inside and get some water and put some food on the birdies. Oh, I think they're cardinals. Last night I saw a red one. Where are you? Where are you? It's flying back and forth. So guys, there it is, there it is, there it is. Let me see, hold on. Let me close it up a little bit. There it is. Oh, they're cardinals. They're babies, they're cardinals. Guys, I love the nature. Being in the woods makes me feel so good, so at peace. I forget about where the heck I live. I forget about my name. I forget about everything, guys. I just love the nature. There's something growing there. What is it? Where is it? Who are you, man? I'll try to get a better look later. Well, guys, anyway, thanks for watching Anyway, Ada's channel. And, y'all pray for my bro. Okay, Ada's brother. That he will be fine. Because he's a good-hearted person. Alright, guys. I'll check you back when I get back to a nice video. Okay, guys? Thank you.